Got some kind of a bug here. It keeps trying to climb up my window. It's kind of a beetle, but it's got real shiny, like almost luminescent parts to it. It's really pretty big. Sort of going into hiding because it sees me getting close. It's really big. See if he'll do anything. Now he's going to move a little. Look at the size of that thing. Uh-oh, maybe he's going to fall. That's his tail. Sort of getting in the shadow here. Here he is. I went out and got him, and you see his little black eyes, and he's all green. Never seen one like this in 18 years. He's pretty quiet now. I guess he's afraid or something. But when the light hits his legs, they're real shiny, almost like gold. So I don't know what kind of beetle he is, but I thought he was interesting. Can you see him now? He's about 3 inches long in total. He's not moving. I don't think I killed him. I didn't do anything to him. But he's an interesting specimen.